Insta360 are always doing something interesting, and this is the Insta360 Luna Ultra, co-engineered with Leica. It's a dual lens 8K gimbal camera. I cannot wait to have a look inside and see what we get here. So let's get into the box and we'll figure the whole thing out. I can see there's some really exciting features. The detachable OLED touchscreen for one is very exciting. On this side we do have a 1-inch 8K sensor, which is also very exciting, and it's a dual camera system as well. So I cannot wait to see, how it all comes packaged and what comes inside here, because I know that there's going to be good stuff, some good stuff in here. All right, so really nice box. As always, just says Insta360 on top here. This just opens up to reveal a bag by the looks of things and some paperwork. Okay, so we've got some paperwork as always. There's some more paperwork here as well, explaining the Mic Pro and the Luna Ultra here. So we'll just keep that off to the side. The main things we want to see are in this really nice bag here. This little all-encompassing carrying case, carrying bag. This looks very nice. Okay, so it just says Insta360 on the side. We've got a little section here to hold on to for carrying. It's quite an interesting flat design. Now, as we open it up, ooh, very nice. Nice little compartments here. This is the main piece here, the camera itself. So let's have a look at this first. Ooh, ooh, this is exciting. So Insta360, we've got a locking button here. Oh wow, look at that, how satisfying is that? So Insta360 on the back, really nice case. Really nice case for the camera. And then you literally just, boom, release it. Ooh, and take the camera out. You can see we've got some little sections here for a wide angle lens and a black mist filter as well. Take that off. And here we go. If I rotate this, it should theoretically power on. There we go. Luna Ultra. Very nice. Look at that. Let's just angle the camera up so we can see it. There it is right there. So it says Leica on the front. There are the two cameras right there. There's a grill here. I don't know if that's the microphone. I have no idea, but this is meant to be detachable. So I believe these two red buttons. Oh, look at that. How cool. So I can manually move it. Love that. That is so cool. There's some buttons on the front here as well. And that just then would connect back on, I would imagine. Yep. Clips back into place. That is really nice how they've done that. Okay, now let's power it down. And we'll just put it in its case for now. Is this how it went, or was it this way? That was the other way, wasn't it? This way? There we go. So that's how it goes away. Clips into place like so. Really nice. Okay, let's keep looking. So we've got a little handle. I don't know if this is a battery handle or just a standard. That just looks like a little standard. I did see, this is quite an interesting design. So you can plop these out like so, and it then becomes a little tripod. So built-in tripod. So if we just connect this up like so, clip that into place, we obviously release this again. So now we've actually got that tripod. So it can just stand up like that, which is pretty cool. So that's how that sits. Just move that to the side. Now, we do have some stuff here Oh, a lot of stuff. I'm taking a little too long, I think, because there is a lot of stuff in here. There we go, there we go. So that's the end of that. Really nice bag. Carrying case for it, for sure. There's a little pouch here to store some other stuff. And really, really nice. So it looks like this might be the standard attachment piece, and that was the battery one, because you can see the other one's obviously a lot bigger. So this must be the battery. You push that in to release it, and then obviously this is the smaller one, which just adds the little tripod feet anyway. So both of them have it. There's a 1/4" screw on the base here, right there. So you can then use that to mount up to some other accessories, and you know, tripod and whatnot. Alright, so we've got all of that. Let's have a look in here. I believe this is the microphone. Ooh, this is very nice. Look at this. So there's a power button, there's a record button. I like this circular design, it's very unique. Very unique. So let's just power it on. And see how this looks as it turns on. Okay. Must be powered on. I know that this display here, you can customize this display and put anything on it, which is very, very unique. But we do have the light on the side, seems to have powered on. Let's keep going to see what else we've got in here. This is the unboxing just to show you what to expect from the kit, really. Might just have to rearrange some of this, just so we can try to get it all in. So we've already seen that, we've seen the microphone, we've got the camera here, which can just sit like that. And then this is the windscreen, so this just goes over the top and just holds in place like so. That actually is a nice fit. Really easy to attach that, and it just clips into place there, and then I guess you just, yeah, loosen it like that. That's an easy attachment. Okay, so that feels nice and secure. That's the windscreen there. Then we've got a USB-C to USB-C. This would be to charge everything up, because we've obviously got USB-C in the mic here, and then we've got a USB-C on the back here. And then I believe if we release that, yep, there's also a USB-C under there as well. So you'd be using that USB-C for all of those accessories. Now in here, this might be like the magnetic puck, the attachment piece, I believe. Oh yeah, looks like it. So it just says Insta360 on the back there. And so how this works is it's just a magnetic plate. So you can then, you know, put this over a shirt and then hold it with that magnet like so. So that's a nice simple fit there. We have got something else in here. What is this? Ooh, this is some sort of filter, is it? Let me just read the box. This is a wide angle lens. There you go. So that means that I can theoretically, if this is magnetic, oh yeah, really simple. So it's literally just a magnetic connection, boom, and it's that simple to just connect it on. I'll need to look into that. I don't know if that cover comes off or that's how it's designed, but that's nice. So we've got that. Then we've got this. There's quite a lot in this pack. Is this a clip maybe for the microphone? Yeah. Look at me, just predicting what's about to come. So then we've got the magnet, which we can take off. And then this is going to have a magnetic or a clip design. How does this work? Just clips into place, does it? Oh yeah, there you go. So that just clips into place, literally, and now we have a clip. Very cool, and I would imagine I can change orientation as well, but I just got it in to show you. And then a little lanyard, or wrist strap, actually. There you go. Cool, so that is what you can expect from this kit. Love it. That's the Insta360 Luna Ultra. Absolutely love that. The way this whole thing comes packaged is great. I really, really like that. There's the boot up. We go in, and then like I showed you before, I can just attach that at any point and then control the camera system like that. Alright, so it's that simple, just angle it up like so. That's a completely removable remote controller. It's got a joystick, it's got this little toggle here which might be for zoom or something, and then a record button as well. That feels really, really nice. And then we've got the microphone as well here. So that is a awesome setup there. Very, very cool stuff.